Good afternoon, everybody. This is Phil Grigsby with the National Weather Service, and here's the weekly weather outlook for the week of Sunday, March 6th, 2022. So, the quick overview, we're expecting a front to stall over the area tomorrow, and that front will linger through Thursday. Periods of rain with embedded thunderstorms will impact the area during this time as the front lingers over the region. The front is expected to move back to the north as a warm front Thursday night into early Friday, with continued showers and thunderstorm activity expected, and then we're going to have a strong cold front move through the area during the day on Friday with a much colder and drier weekend forecast. The other issue that we're seeing is that drought conditions do persist, but the rainfall this week should help to ease these conditions. All right, so here's the look at the drought conditions that are currently in place across southern Mississippi and southeast Louisiana. And you can see that a large portion of the region, especially for areas around Baton Rouge, southwest Mississippi, along the Atchafalaya Basin, and then along the coast of Louisiana, are in moderate to severe drought. It's abnormally dry for portions of Metro New Orleans, especially the North Shore over into coastal Mississippi. And the rainfall this week should hopefully start to help ease these drought conditions a bit. This is much needed rain that we need across the area. Another thing to look at here is that the Weather Prediction Center has issued an excessive rainfall outlook for the area. This is valid Tuesday into Tuesday night. What we're concerned about most with this is that we could see some rainfall that gets locally heavy at times, and we could see some street flooding issues in low-lying and poorly drained areas. The marginal risk of excessive rainfall exists again across all of southeast Louisiana and southern Mississippi, and the most likely time frame for this heavy rainfall would be Tuesday into Tuesday night. And here's the storm total rainfall forecast for the first portion of the week, valid from tomorrow morning through Thursday morning. In general, we're expecting about 1 to 2 inches of rain across the area, but some locally higher amounts of up to 3 inches will be possible. Again, the heaviest rains are expected to fall Tuesday into Wednesday, especially Tuesday and Tuesday night. And here's the extended outlook going beyond the 7-day forecast window into early next week. And it looks like there's a pretty decent chance, about a 60 to 70% chance, that temperatures are going to remain below normal from the weekend into early next week across the area. And we also look to be drier than average. There's a 33 to 50% chance that rainfall is going to be below average over the weekend and into early next week. And now here's the 7-day forecast for the city of New Orleans and New Orleans metropolitan area. We're expecting periods of showers and thunderstorms to affect the area from tonight through Friday, with the highest rain chances occurring from tomorrow afternoon through Thursday morning, when we could have rain chances generally in the 70 to 90% chance range throughout the period. The other thing is that temperatures are going to be kind of on a roller coaster. We'll see warmer than average temperatures continue tomorrow with highs up near 80, but then we'll have that front come in and stall over the area, and temperatures will fall back more to average conditions Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, with highs in the upper 60s and lower 70s and overnight lows in the 50s. And then we'll have that strong cold front come through Friday afternoon, and that's going to bring a very cold air mass into the area. Temperatures could be about 15 to 20 degrees below average on Saturday, with highs in the mid to upper 50s and lows dropping into the 40s. In Baton Rouge, we're expecting similar conditions for much of the week as we're seeing in New Orleans. We'll see periods of showers and thunderstorms basically from tonight through Wednesday. Rain chances will peak tomorrow and Tuesday in the 80 to 90% chance range. The one big issue here is that a little bit drier air looks like it's going to start to move in as we get into Wednesday and Thursday, and even into Friday. And so we're going to see lower rain chances come in, generally in the 20 to 30% chance range. So we'll see more isolated shower and thunderstorm activity, especially on Thursday and Friday. Temperatures are going to be on the same roller coaster like we were seeing in New Orleans. We'll have warmer than average readings tomorrow, in fact near record high readings, and then we'll see temperatures fall below average Tuesday into Wednesday, with highs only getting into the lower to middle 60s. By Thursday and Friday, we'll see temperatures rebound back to near normal conditions in the lower to middle 70s, and then we'll see that strong cold front move through Friday afternoon, and temperatures will drop back down into the mid-50s on Saturday, or about 20 degrees below average. And overnight lows, both Friday night and Saturday night, are expected to drop into the 30s. It's also going to be pretty breezy, so we'll have a wind chill in effect. This is going to be a big temperature change from what we've seen the last few days in the Baton Rouge area. For Gulfport, we're expecting to see a little bit lower rain chances as we get into tomorrow, with the rain chances really peaking for Gulfport more so on Tuesday and Wednesday. We'll see about a 60% chance of rain tomorrow, but it shoots up to that 80 to 90% chance range, especially from Tuesday night into Wednesday. Again, we're basically just going to see periods of showers and thunderstorms passing through the area from tonight all the way through Friday with this pattern. The other difference is that instead of drying out as much as we're seeing in Baton Rouge, conditions actually should still stay somewhat showery and unsettled even as we get into Thursday and Friday. So we do have higher rain chances in the 60 to 70% chance range on Thursday and Friday, which is the highest rain chances that we have across our forecast area there on the Mississippi coast. Temperatures are going to be in the roller coaster phase as well. We'll see highs tomorrow up near 80 degrees, and then cooling off into the upper 60s on Tuesday and Wednesday before we warm back up into near average temperatures in the lower to middle 70s Thursday and Friday. Then the big chill down happens, and we'll see highs only in the mid 50s and lows in the 30s Friday night through Saturday. And in McComb, not much different than what we're seeing over in Baton Rouge. We'll see the highest rain chances occurring, say, tomorrow through Wednesday. We'll see temperatures peaking out tomorrow in the low 80s, again, near record high conditions. Temperatures will drop down into the lower to middle 60s Tuesday and Wednesday, behind that stalled cold front, so a little bit of colder air will come in there. In fact, we may see lows dropping down into the upper 40s, but it's still going to be very wet. We're going to have 80 to 90% chance of rain from Tuesday into Wednesday morning, and then we'll begin to see conditions modify and warm back up to near average Thursday and Friday with highs in the 70s. As that warm front moves through Thursday night into Friday. And in fact, we may actually dry out briefly Wednesday night into Thursday morning, just for a brief period of time before we see the showers start to move back in Thursday afternoon. It looks like Friday is going to be a unsettled day with fairly high rain chances, up around 60% as the cold front moves through. And we may even have a few thunderstorms that try to pop up as temperatures get into the mid 70s. And then we'll have that big cool down happen again, a good 20 degrees below average, with highs only in the lower 50s on Saturday, very breezy conditions, and lows dropping down potentially below freezing across parts of southwest Mississippi. So that's something to take into account as well. If you have any plants or anything, you may need to bring them back inside. This might be hopefully our last freeze of the season. This is definitely going to be a quick hit. Things should start to warm back up as we get into early next week, although still cooler than average. But it looks like we could have this freeze come in for the weekend across southwest Mississippi. So just keep that in mind. It's also going to be very breezy, so the wind chills will likely be in the 20s both Friday and Saturday nights. So definitely bundle up if you have any outdoor activities planned this weekend up in the McComb area. So quick summary of our impacts. Again, we're going to have that front stall over the area tomorrow and then go through Thursday. There will be periods of rain with embedded thunderstorms that are going to affect the area over this time frame. The front's going to move back to the north as a warm front Thursday night into early Friday with continued shower and thunderstorm activity, and then we'll have a strong cold front move through on Friday afternoon, and a much colder and drier air mass is expected to move in for the weekend with well below average temperatures and breezy conditions expected. The drought conditions do persist for now, with some severe drought conditions occurring over portions of the area, especially around Baton Rouge and Atchafalaya Basin. The rainfall this week should hopefully help to ease those conditions, and so we'll see if we see the reduction in categories for our area when the next update comes out on Thursday from the Drought Monitor. And that's it. So everybody have a great Sunday and a great rest of the week, and we'll talk to you again on Thursday.